Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy and welcome if you are new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos. I live in the tropical country of Singapore and anything nautical, beach or ocean inspired is really close to my heart. So today I'm making 3 nautical DIYs. All of them are ocean inspired or beach inspired, yet 3 of them are very different from each other. So without further ado, let's begin with DIY number 1. For the first DIY, I'm making an acrylic pour wall art, and for that I have taken this kit, and this kit includes everything that is required to make this wall art. It includes a canvas, an apron, and these fluid colors in acrylic base, and they come in variant themes, and the theme that I have chosen here is the sea, that is the beach theme, so it comes in all the beachy colors and the watercolors. So yeah, you can find dark blue, light blue, turquoise and white. So here I have taken a small disposable cup and I'm going to pour these colors one on top of the other to create layers. As you can see, I'm just tilting the cup and pouring the colors one by one on top of each other so that they can make nice waves when I pour them on, literally pour them on the canvas. So one by one I'm just selecting the colors randomly, and here I'm just going to make a small funnel kind of thing so that it pours really easily, and here I'm going to pour the colors in circular motion. And once all the color is there on the canvas, I'm going to just tilt the canvas in all the directions so that the fluid paint, acrylic paint spreads all over the canvas and creates a really random and nice pattern. At this point, I really thought that the kit should also include gloves because this paint pour can get really messy. The good thing was that I had already put newspaper below, so all the extra paint was coming down on the newspaper, and I had to top some more colors to complete the edges. I also use my fingers at the very edges to make swirls of paint so that it gives a more ocean kind of touch to the entire wall art. Next, with the help of air dry clay, I'm just going to cut it in the shape of a starfish, and I'm going to just put it on top of this paint after it is completely dry. I need to wait for around 2 to 3 hours for the entire paint pot to dry, and then I'm going to paint the starfish with pearl metallic paint to give it a nice finish. And with the help of 3D liners, I'm going to make some details on top of the starfish so that it looks kind of real. It doesn't look like it's made out of clay, so I'm going to give some kind of texture to the starfish. I'm using 3D cone liners in the color white, and I'm just making small dot patterns on the edges and on the entire body of the starfish. The paint pour after it is completely dry looks gorgeous, and also the little details on the starfish make it really look real, and I'm really liking how the colors have blended so well. And the last part of this wall art is I'm putting a little quote, and that is seize the day. And yes, the spelling of seize is again inspired by the nautical theme. It is seize the day. So yes, this art will always inspire me and motivate me to make the best use of each single day. So yes, this is a motivating wall art that is going to be in my craft room and inspiring me and motivating me every day. Today I'm participating in the room by room challenge, and it is hosted by Devin from the Freckled Mom, and the co-host for today is Ceej DIY, and both of them are amazing creators. They are super talented, and you should definitely check out their channels. I have mentioned their channel links in the description box below along with the playlist. Do check out all the other creators if you want some more nautical themed DIYs. Moving on to DIY number 2. For that I have taken air dry clay and I'm just rolling it with a small rolling pin. Next I have cut this seashell on a piece of paper and I'm going to keep it as a template, and I'm going to cut the air dry clay in the same shape. With the help of X-Acto knife, I'm going to cut out the shape with the help of the template on paper, and this is going to create the seashell shape for me. After I have carved out the seashell, I'm going to give it some shape, and for that I have taken this glass bowl, and I'm going to sprinkle some baby powder on it, and I'm going to put this clay inside so that it forms the shape of a bowl or a trinket tray. Then with the help of a popsicle stick, I'm going to make ridges on the seashell, and this gives it a more natural and a textured look, which is already there on real seashells. So I'm just trying to imitate those kind of looks. And yeah, now I'm going to let it dry for around 3 to 4 hours, and then once it is dry, I took it out and then I painted it with the help of pearl metallic paint. First I did a coat of white metallic paint in pearl finish, and then I mixed the colors pink and blue and I did a coat of purple paint. So here you can see that the paints have given a nice sheen and a metallic pearly finish to the trinket tray. I'm going to paint the edges also with gold and pearl metallic paint. And here's a simple tip in case you find that your trinket tray is not coming out from your bowl, and that is to microwave the bowl for 30 seconds and it won't be stuck and it'll just come out very easily. This is a tip that I tried because my clay got stuck onto the bowl. So yes, you can definitely try if you're making it on a bowl. Let me know how this turned out. I think this is really looking pretty. Moving on to DIY number 3. For the third DIY, I'm making a nautical coaster with the help of nautical rope, and I'm just going to take some fabric glue and I'm going to glue them at places and twist the rope in the shape of a circle like so. This glue dries out clear, so it can be used on almost all the surfaces, but definitely it works best on fabric. And if you want, you can use a thread and needle also to stitch all the at each angle so that the coaster is secured well. And actually I did use thread and needle to secure the coaster, and you'll see in a bit how it looks. I would like to thank all my friends for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. All of your amazing and valuable comments mean a lot to me. Also, do suggest what kind of videos would you want to watch more on my channel, and do you want me to do theme challenges, or would you want me to do something very different, something that I have not tried earlier? What kind of videos, art videos, or trash to treasure videos, or whatever you think that you can suggest? I would love to hear from all of you, all your suggestions. Also, let me know if you'd want to know more about DIY Savvy Mommy, as in making daily vlogs, art vlogs, journaling vlogs, or more of these kind of stuff. So do mention in the comment box what kind of videos would you prefer watching. And yes, moving on to the DIY. So once the coaster had taken its shape, I used white thread and needle, and I secured it at the back with the help of thread and needle, and I just turned it over and I glued some pearls and some seashells, and my nautical coaster is ready. So these are my 3 nautical DIYs for today. I hope you like all 3 of them. Let me know in the comment section below which out of the 3 was your favorite. And thanks a lot for watching. I shall see you all very soon. Please do comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. Take good care of yourself, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.